Check out the amazing swept wing styling on this 1957 Dodge Coronet Lancer two-door sedan that shows a mere 87,355 title verified miles. It has quintessential 1950 stylings with a two-tone paint scheme, rear wings, bold protruding rear tail lights, beefy bumpers, and dual headlights. The matching two-tone interior with an artful dashboard and gauges are a perfect complement to the exterior design and appearance. Under the hood is a 245 horsepower, 325 cubic inch V8 attached to a torque flight 3-speed automatic transmission. It has drum brakes on all 4 corners. Whether you want to buy or sell a classic, collectible, or special interest vehicle, you need to visit Classic Auto Mall in person or check everything out on our website for more information. If you're looking to buy, you can easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 vehicles on the web at classicautomall.com. If you'd like to know all the advantages of selling your car through consignment, the information is available on our website, or you can chat with a professional who can answer all of your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient, plus we sell worldwide. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check out our website, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on social media. Whether you want to buy or sell a classic, collectible, or special interest vehicle, you need to visit Classic Auto Mall in person or check everything out on our website for more information.